Hello, my dear friends. It's Lily here from Inspirational Flower, your haven for petals of wisdom and vines of knowledge. Today we're going to explore a beautiful tale of family reunions and floral messages, all wrapped up in the enchanting world of the hyacinth flower. But before we dive in, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our blooming community. Now let's embark on our journey. Picture this. A quaint little town, nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers, and the most prominent among them is the hyacinth. Its vibrant colors and intoxicating fragrance are a beacon of hope and joy, a symbol of the town's annual family reunion festival. Our protagonist is a young woman named Rose. She's been living in the city for years, but her heart has always belonged to her hometown. The annual family reunion is the one event she looks forward to every year. It's a time when she can reconnect with her roots, her family, and the traditions that have shaped her life. But this year, the reunion takes on a deeper meaning. Rose's grandmother, the matriarch of the family and the heart of the reunion, is growing older. Rose decides to honor her grandmother in the most beautiful way she knows, through the language of flowers. She chooses the hyacinth, a flower that, in the language of florals, carries a message of sincerity and deep affection. She plans to present a bouquet of hyacinths to her grandmother at the reunion, a symbol of her deep love and respect. But as with any journey, there are challenges. The hyacinths are not in bloom, and Rose must find a way to make them bloom in time for the reunion. She seeks the help of the town's old gardener, a wise man known for his green thumb and his deep understanding of nature's rhythms. Through trials and tribulations, Rose learns not just about the art of gardening, but also about patience, resilience, and the deep-rooted connections that bind us to our family and our traditions. In the end, the hyacinths bloom just in time for the reunion. The sight of the vibrant flowers and the joy on her grandmother's face when she receives the bouquet is a moment of pure magic, a testament to the power of love, family, and the enchanting language of flowers. And that, my dear friends, is the tale of Hyacinth Hopes, a story of family, love, and the beautiful messages conveyed through the language of flowers. I hope this story has inspired you, touched your heart, and perhaps even sparked a desire to explore the enchanting world of flowers and their meanings. Remember, like the hyacinth, we too can bloom with a little love, patience, and care. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this story, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. And don't forget to subscribe to Inspirational Flower for more tales of love, friendship, and nature's serenity. Until next time, keep blooming.